Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Neha. How are you, bache?
Good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Okay, so let's begin. No one has joined yet. They'll be joining. Okay, I'll share the screen now. Did you revise the ratio yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, in this exercise, we had done till question number 14, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So today we'll be doing with question number 15, 16, and some extra questions also we'll do today. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
On ratios. Before we start with proportion, we'll do some extra questions of ratios. Okay. Please read the question, Neha. 15th question.
Yes, ma'am. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughters, Shreya and Bhumika, in the ratio of their ages. If age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will be.
So see, mother wants to divide this 36 rupees in some ratio between the two daughters as per their ages. So what will you do first here?
Ma'am, the ratio will be 15 is to 12. We
Yes.
lower it down. We take its lowest form.
So we'll first find the ratio of their ages because the rupees is to be divided as per their ratio of their ages, no? So the ratio is 15 by 12. 15 is to 12 will be how much?
So, ma'am, it's gonna be 5 by 4.
5 by 4, right? So 15 by 12 will be 5 by 4. 5 is to 4 we can write. Now we take the sum of the ratios. That's 9. Okay. So that means this is 5 is to 4. So that means the top one was Shreya. Yes. This and 12 age was Bhumika's. So that means Shreya will get 5 by 9 parts of 36. Yes, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya will get 5/9 part of 36. So 9 and this will cancel out. You will get rupees 20. Right? Same way, Bhumika will get 4 by 9th part of 36. Is it? So that means when we reduce this, we get 16 rupees. So Bhumika will get 16 and Shreya will get 20 rupees. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neha? Okay. I've done this sum for you. Just I'll give you extra sums to do. Okay? Now see question number 16. Please read question 16.
Yes, ma'am. Present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of A. Present age of father to the present age of son. B.
Just do wait. Just do the first one first. Okay? Do it now. Do it in your book. Present age of father is given and son is also given. So find the ratio of their present ages. Yes, done. Neha, done
Ma'am,
the
I'm writing the statements.
okay, okay.
Mom, I got the answer.
Yes, Neha, what's the answer?
Mom, I got it as 3:1.
Okay, that's 342 is to 14. No? So that's 3 is to 1. Okay. Yes. Good, beta. Good, Neha. Read the second part now. Read it.
Yes, ma'am. Age of the father to the age of son when son was 12 years old.
Now you have to find the ratio of the father's age to the age of son when the son was 12 years old. Now see, the present age is 14 years. So when was the son 12 years? 2
Mom,
years
before
back.
2 years.
No, before 2 years, the son's age was 12 years. So before 2 years, what was father's age then?
Mom, 40.
40. So then you have to find the ratio. Okay, what was their ages 2 years back? Find out.
Mom, 10:3.
10 is to 3, that's 40 is to 12, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's 10 is to 3. Good, beta. Okay, read the next.
Age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years.
So father's age after 10 years now, and son's age after 10 years. So today the son is 14 years. So after 10 years, what will be his age?
Mom, 24.
24. Son's age will be 24. And father's age will be what after 10 years?
Mom, 52.
52. So find the ratio for that then.
Mom, 6:13.
6 is to
13.
6 is to 13 or 13 is to 6?
Oh, mom, it's 13:7.
52 by 24, no? So 13 is to 6. Okay, now see the D bit. Read the D bit.
Yes, ma'am. Age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old.
Now you have to find the ratio when father was 30 years old. See, today the father is 42 years. When was he 30 years?
Mom,
42.
12 years back.
So 42 minus 30 will be, that means 12 years back. What was son's age 12 years back?
Mom,
Today
2
the
years.
son is 14. So son's age 12 years back was 2 years, no?
Yes.
So find the ratio. 12 years back, son's age, father's age was 30 years.
Mom, it's 15:1.
15 is to 1. Yes, that's correct. Okay. So you understood these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we take some extra questions now?
Okay.
Okay, let's take on this. See now, question number 1. Find the ratio. By the time you are doing this, I'll write some more questions, okay? So find the ratio 56 to 63. Okay, and the second part is 55 to 120. Please find the ratio.
Ma'am, do I have to do all the questions, then we discuss the answers?
Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, first we do the questions, then we discuss the answers, right?
Yes, yes. Neha, should I scroll up a little?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can scroll till question 4.
Till third and fourth? Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I can answer question 5.
Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, I cannot solve question 5. It's quite a hard.
You're stuck at question 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. I wanted to write the parts of this. So I'll do that later. Now see here. See Neha, green paint is made by mixing blue, yellow, white paints in the ratio 2:7:1, right? I'll show you here. This is the ratio given to us. How much blue paint is needed to make 64 liter of green paint? See, the total capacity of the paint is 64 liters of green paint, and green paint is made by mixing all these colors, right? So total capacity is 64 liters is divided in this much ratio. So let's take the sum of the ratios first. 2 plus 7 plus 1, right? So that is 10. So that means 2 was blue, no? And 7 was yellow, 1 was white. So that means blue is 2/10 of the part, okay? Yellow is 7/10 of the part, and white is 1/10 of the part. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to find how much blue paint is needed. So blue is needed 2/10 of the part. Is it?
Yes.
2/10 of 6 people. Okay. Right? So 2/10 of 64 will be just multiply 2 with this is 8, 12.8. Right? So that means blue paint is 12.8 liters. This much of blue paint is used in making the green paint. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We write the parts now. Okay. These two.
Okay.
Are you doing the sixth one now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answers.
Okay. Tell me. Money withdrawn to the total money deposited.
Ma'am, 1:5.
1 is to
5.
5. Okay. Okay. So money withdrawn is given here. Total money is given. You have to find the left money. Okay. So that you said 1 is to 5. That's correct. Okay. Next. Money withdrawn to the remaining amount in the bank.
Ma'am, the remaining amount is 1,640.
Yes.
So the ratio will be 1:4.
1 is to 4. Good. That's correct, Beta. I hope you are writing with the statements.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Now the above sums. Okay. Tell me for this question number 4. What did you get for question 4?
Ma'am, for question 4, I got 1:8.
Question 4 is 1 is to 8.
Yes,
Okay. 1 is to 8. ठीक है. Find the ratio of 75 centimeters to 1.5 meter. How much is this?
No, 1:2.
1:2. Good. When you convert this to centimeters, okay. Okay, tell me this one. 56 to 63.
Ma'am, 8:9.
8:9. That's correct. Next one.
11:24.
11:24. Good one. Okay. Great. So these were some extra questions. So let's come back to the chapter now. What is the chapter one? Okay. Okay, now we have the proportions part, right? See, in proportions, we know when do we say that two quantities are in proportion? Two quantities means when two things are in proportion. When two ratios are equal, we say that the ratios are in proportion. Okay. When two ratios are equal, we say that the ratios are in proportion. Okay, we also use the word equal to also when two ratios are equal. So we use the word equal to also, and there's a special name for that, that is proportion. And the symbol that we use for proportion is like this, four dots. Okay, the four dots. For ratio, we use two dots. No? For proportion, we use four dots, and we also use the symbol equal to. Okay, but we read it as in proportion. Now, suppose you have the ratio A is to B is equal to C is to D. No? So we can write that two ratios are equal. That means the two ratios are in proportion. Okay? C is to D. The two ratios are in proportion. That is A by B is one ratio and C by D is another ratio. They are equal. When we cross multiply, just look at this. When we cross multiply, we get A into D one side and we get B into C like this. And with this, we say that the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. Is it? These are the means means middle terms. These are the extreme terms, the terms which are at the extreme ends, right? So these are the extremes. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. Okay? Yes, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is nothing but just the general ratio which we have just cross multiplied. Okay. Okay, let's see further. If two ratios are equal, see this highlighted thing, what it is written. If two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion and use this symbol or equal to replace the two ratios. Okay, let's see some important terms which are written here. If two ratios are not equal, then we say that they are not in proportion. In a statement of proportion, the four quantities involved, when taken in order, are known as respective terms. So, the four quantities which we write like this is first term and the fourth terms. First term and fourth terms are known as extreme terms. So, this is the first term, this is the fourth term, are known as extreme terms. Second and third are the called middle terms. Okay, we call it as mean terms also, we call it as middle term also. Okay, let's see some example. And we'll see some examples today, then tomorrow only we'll do with the exercise. Okay, right, beta? Okay, let's see this example number. Are the ratios 25 grams is to 30 grams and 40 kgs is to 48 kgs in proportion? So just check out, are they in proportion, Neha? Don't look at the solution, just do your own. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it on your own. Just check whether they are in proportion or not. 25 is to 30 and 40 is to 40.
Yes, ma'am, they are in proportion.
They are in proportion?
Yes, ma'am. 5:6.
5:6. Okay, good. So how do we write the ratios as 25:30 in proportion with 40:48? Okay, like this. This is the way we should write them. One second, I'll close the door. Yes, Neha. Now see the next are 30, 40, 45, and 16 proportion. Just check out, are they in proportion? Just take the ratio of the first two, then the ratio of the next two.
Yes, ma'am, they are in proportion.
Okay, then okay, the ratio is 15 centimeter to 2 centimeter, 2 meter, and 10 seconds to 3 minutes form a proportion. Just check out this one. Now see here the units are all different. Okay, please convert the units first in both the ratios. Convert the units first and then find the ratio.
No, ma'am, they are not in proportion.
Yes,
They are not in proportion, ma'am.
they are not in proportion. Okay. So the first ratio is 3:40 and the other one is 1:18. So they are not in proportion. Okay. Okay. Let's do some more questions here. Just 2 minutes are left for the class. We'll do some more questions. Okay. Okay. Let's just this one. First question. We have start doing the first question. Let's check out one by one. Are they in proportion or not? First question. Is it?
Ma'am, the first one is in proportion, 1:3. Ma'am, the first one is in proportion.
1 second. I didn't see much of this now. Some work is going on. Yes, Neha, what are you saying?
Ma'am, the A bit is in proportion, 1:3.
A bit is in proportion. Okay. Okay. Do the second one. We'll do all the parts. Do the second one.
Ma'am, the second one is not in proportion.
Okay, not in proportion. Okay. Okay, just do till here. Do the C bit, okay? Then the remaining will do tomorrow.
They're not in proportion.
They are in
Not-
proportion. No, not in proportion.
Yes, ma'am.
26 to 28. Okay, that's 6 is to 7, and this one is 3 is to 4. Okay, they are not in proportion. Okay, so we'll leave it this much for today. Okay, Neha?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we'll continue this tomorrow, the proportion, and we'll continue with unitary method also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Beta, bye-bye.